This is our new home, the kitchen. The formal living room or dining room, I guess, wherever we want to put it. Let's see here. Our front door, beautiful stained glass. Front windows, it's a dining room. Kitchen. No arguing. I have a dishwasher. Stove. We need to get a washer and dryer. Something we're going to need really bad. And come down here. Let's see. Hold on. Where's the lights? This is a hallway. This hallway, there is a bathroom. We've got to get light bulbs for it. But we got a tub. It's all tile. Shower. Sink and toilet. Vanity's really pretty. I love this sink. It's gorgeous. Big mirror. Everything's new. Loving everything new. Come here, Peggy. Big linen closet in the bathroom. Come on, Peggy. Get away from that. Don't you touch that, honey. Don't you touch that. This is Ryan's room. He has mountain views out his bedroom. Windows. Come on, Peggy. This is me and Dan's room. Wood floors. Big closet. Come on, Peggy. Come on. Come on.
Not back yet? Not back yet?
Not yet.
Oh my God, it's so freaking cold.
Let's go down. Is it cold? That's Ryan says it's cold. We're making a video for my family.
I found Culver's.
Did you?
Yep.
Oh, excellent.
Culver's is down that way.
Cool. Because we will definitely be eating there.
I found Culver's.
Angel has her own like family room down here. We're going to make this kind of like the family room toy room for Jaden. Put all our toys in that closet. Another big closet in here. Hold on, Angel.
No, get out of my room!
This is Angel's room. She's in the midst of decorating everything. She doesn't want to be seen because she's in her traveling gear. Look at those beautiful clothes. She's sexy. Angel has a big room.
So I think I'm going to sleep down here.
Yeah?
Because
The carpet?
I
Yeah.
don't feel like sleeping on hardwood floor.
I don't blame you.
Get out of my stuff! Go!
Come on, Peggy, come on,
now.
Jaden.
Go! No!
Jaden, you're so happy, Angel. So, this is the basement.
Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
Little pass through here.
Jiggle, jiggle.
Upstairs. Come up here. Pugsley, stay out. This is Jaden's room. She has two big closets for her toys and clothes. Big room. Whole house has new carpet. This is Damon and Autumn's room. New carpet. They have double closets. They're really nice. It's dark outside, so I don't think you can really see the backyard right now. But we have neighbors over there. That's our backyard out there. We'll show you better in the daylight. Out. Out you go. Puggy, no. Back downstairs.
Okay.
We still have to get our furniture and everything in.
Yeah.
But this is our new Colorado home. We hope you like it as much as we do.